It's Linzi and Jay's special day, but it's also about family. It's about friends, some of which have travelled long distances to be here today. It's also about the special people in Linzi and Jay's lives who have worked so hard to help today special. It's about the beautiful bridesmaids, or I think you all agree look totally stunning. It's about family and friends getting together, sharing memories and making new ones. But most of all, it's about Linzi and Jay. It's a celebration of their love and their future together.
I, J. Michael Phipps.
Take you, Linzi Michaela Reid.
Take you, Linzi Michaela Reid.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
Jay, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our love.
As a symbol of our love.
Our trust and marriage.
Our trust and marriage.
You make every single day better just by being in it. Marrying you is the best decision I've ever made. You make me laugh, you make me think, and occasionally you make me clean the house. And honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. I can't promise to be perfect, but I can promise to love you with everything I have. Here's to love, laughter, and a lifetime of happiness. Cheers. Cheers.
How happy we are to be celebrating this special and long-awaited day with you both. Linz, you look stunning. Jay, well, glad you made it.
I couldn't be prouder of both Jay and Linzi for everything that they've achieved as individuals and as a couple. I know they love one another deeply and are happy to share this special day with their family and friends, so have a great time. You both know, Karen and myself, Julie and Mark, will always be there for both of you. And from a very proud dad, father-in-law and a friend, I wish you both a long and happy life together.